Hello everyone, hope you all doing good. Welcome back to agrati.com YouTube channel, The Fabric Concepts. Let's go deep into what today episode is all about. So this episode is a pure organza sari episode. So we have a wide collections of pure organza sari fabric as well. So we have so many patterns in organza like Leharia pattern, satin organza, double shade, triple shade, block print, zari print. We have so many collections, and yeah, we also do a customize in organza fabric. So I'll discuss about briefly about what organza and how many patterns we are making and what are the customization process and everything what you all want to know about. So let's go deep into channel. So this is a first pure 100% organza sari. So this sari is a Lehria pattern sari. So you can see the pattern here. So this pattern is all Lehria pattern. So yeah, we have a multiple colors in that: green, purple, pink. So we have multiple. So apart from this, we also do a customized organza in Lehria pattern. So you can see the texture here. Organza is known for its cheap texture, lightweight, very lightweight, and very breathable. So this is a kind of onion pink color. It is onion pink color. It is also a lightweight, breathable. So all organza saree is lightweight. So this is a pink color one. You can see the same texture here as well. Yeah. So apart from this, if you have any favorite shades you want, you can also call us to get your favorite shades done. So this is again a green color one and a white. So these are all Lagria pattern. So this is a onion pink sari, organza sari. So just for example, I'll show you one of the sari in Lagria pattern. So you can see the flowy here. It is so flowy one. I love this sari actually. It is so flowy. And you can see the pattern here. In organza, we have a Lagria pattern of this saris. Apart from this, we have so many. So these are all a plain one. This is a plain organza saris. So you can see we have multiple shades: purple, green, black, red. We have multiple. You can see the flow and texture. It is so lightweight and so breathable one. It is so transparent as well. But while you drop a saree, it won't make such a difference actually. It will look nice. So it's a black color. I love black organza. You can see the texture here. We have red, we have onion pink, we have so many colors. So we also do a customize in plain saree as well. So I'll show you briefly about this purple saree particularly. I love this saree because of the flowy. You can see the texture here. In organza, we have a 3 different patterns. One is 20 gram of organza, 40 gram and 60 gram. So the higher the gram, the higher the thicker it is. So I just match some of the lace with blouses for organza, so you'll get an idea for how you can make organza saris, a perfectly one. So this is a lace, actually sequin lace, so you can match it in the border. And this is a pure raw silk blouse, a purple pure raw silk. So this is also we are customizing a color. So if you want any particular shade in raw silk, we also do a customization. So you just see the match here. I love the match of this 3. So this comes with the 9 meters. It is very sufficient for your sari, a full sari. So I think this is 20 grams of organza this sari is. So the black and red plain sari is made up of 40 grams. So this is another pattern. This is called a block print. So as you see, there is a print here. This is also a transparent one, sheet texture, very lightweight, breathable. So this is a red color, is a peacock pattern. I love this pattern actually, especially. So you can match it with a golden color blouse. Yeah, a plain raw silk red color. So for example, let's just open the yellow saree and show it to you. So you can see the saree here. It's yellow color. It's not a dark yellow, it's a light yellow. It's a very calm yellow, and this is a golden color block print here. So block print is also we are customizing. So if you want to do this block print in any other shades, we also do customize for you. The approximate time for customer is 7 to 9 days. So we will be giving our phone number in the description, so you can call us for a customization. This sarees are all available in our website, so you can check out there, or if you want to visit us personally, you can visit our store. So you can see the pattern here, it is so nice. So this is another saree which is a double shade. So as I told you in the beginning of the video, we have a triple shade, double shade in the organza sarees. So what you saw before itself is all single shades. So this is a double shaded one. A ash color and a pink color. The upper body is a pink and the lower body is a ash color. So this is so nice. I love the shade actually. So you can also match it with the white with the purple color or some different colors if you want. So this is another shade color. This is a green and one of the violet kind of thing. So this is actually a zari border one. So this saree is called a zari border, a plain organza with a simple zari border. I love this border actually. This is very calm and this is very elegant. So this will, by looking it will give a feel like a raw silk, some of the elegant look, but it's an organza saree. I'm just telling about the feel of the saree. By look, by touching it will give you a grainy feel, sheet texture. So all organza is a transparent one, and the organza is known for as a transparent one, lightweight and breathable. So as I said, we have a 20, 40, 60 grams. The higher the grams is, the higher the thickness is. So you can see the body of the saree. So this is pallu of the saree. I love the pallu. So you can see the texture here. It is so flowy, so you can match it with the golden color blouse as well, a plain golden, or you can made a plain gray color organza in the border with the golden saree. So that is so beautiful. You don't need to drop a fleet. You can go for a single fleet for organza saree. It will so nice. So it is so satisfying. So while seeing the zari, it is so satisfying actually. I love the finishing touch. There is no cluster in it. It is so finishing touch. So yeah, we came to the end of this episode, which is organza sarees. So all these organza sarees are 100% pure quality, and this all organza sarees are available in our website and as well as store. So please free to check out. And if you want any particular shades or patterns, kindly call us or WhatsApp us for the customization time. The approximate time for customization is 7 to 9 days. And thank you so much for watching this episode and your continuous support. Thank you so much. So let's catch up in the another video which is very interesting. So stay tuned. Thank you so much. Bye bye.